Most people think Vaseline is only useful for dry lips or cracked heels, but what it does for aging, wrinkled skin is far more powerful than most people expect. The reason so many people do not see real results is simple. They are using it completely wrong. When you apply Vaseline the right way, especially at night, it can transform how your skin looks and feels. These 10 methods can reduce the appearance of wrinkles, smooth fine lines, and make your skin look younger and healthier without expensive creams. The first way Vaseline helps is by sealing moisture into your skin. Wrinkles look deeper when your skin is dry. When you apply a thin layer of Vaseline on slightly damp skin, it locks in the water that your skin already has. This makes your face look softer, smoother, and more elastic. Many people make the mistake of applying Vaseline on dry skin. When you apply it after moisturizing, it becomes much more effective. The second method is using Vaseline as an overnight wrinkle softener. When you sleep, your skin repairs itself. Vaseline strengthens this process by creating a gentle protective layer on your skin that prevents hydration from escaping. When your face stays moisturized all night, your skin has a better chance to rebuild and repair fine lines. After a few nights, people often wake up with skin that feels plumper and more refreshed. The third way Vaseline helps wrinkle skin is by protecting it from environmental stress. Dry air, cold wind, and even indoor heaters pull moisture from your face. When you use a small amount of Vaseline during cold weather, it protects your skin from losing moisture too fast. This keeps wrinkles from getting deeper and helps prevent new lines from forming. The fourth method is using Vaseline under your eyes. The skin under your eyes is thin and delicate. It dries out easily, which makes fine lines show up faster. A tiny amount of Vaseline, gently tapped under the eyes, can help soften those lines. It makes the skin look smoother and reduces the appearance of tiredness. The fifth way is using Vaseline as a barrier before applying strong skincare products. Some anti-aging products can irritate your skin. When you put a thin layer of Vaseline on sensitive areas first, it prevents redness and dryness. This makes your skin tolerate stronger products without becoming irritated, which eventually helps reduce wrinkles more effectively. The sixth method is using Vaseline to treat tiny cuts, cracks, or irritated patches on your face. Damaged skin heals much slower when left exposed. Vaseline protects these areas and speeds up healing. When your skin heals properly, wrinkles appear smoother because the skin surface becomes more even. The seventh way Vaseline helps is through facial slugging. This is a method where you apply your normal moisturizer first and then a thin layer of Vaseline on top before bed. This keeps your skin deeply hydrated for hours. Many people notice that their forehead lines and smile lines look softer when they wake up because their skin was protected all night. The eighth method is using Vaseline around your lips to prevent lip wrinkles. As people age, small wrinkles form around the mouth because the skin there is thin and often dry. A little Vaseline applied nightly around the lip edges helps keep that area moisturized and slows down the formation of fine lines. The ninth way Vaseline helps is by calming irritated or inflamed skin. When your skin becomes inflamed, wrinkles look deeper because the skin loses water quickly. Vaseline protects irritated skin and helps it return to a balanced state. This can make wrinkles appear less sharp and more relaxed. The 10th and final method is using Vaseline on your neck. Many people forget that the neck shows aging very quickly. The skin there is thin and gets dry easily. Applying a small amount of Vaseline at night helps keep the neck area firm and moisturized. When the skin on the neck stays hydrated, the lines that form in this area become much less noticeable. The most important thing to remember is that Vaseline does not remove wrinkles. It helps make them look softer, smoother, and less visible by protecting your skin from dryness and locking in moisture. When your skin has enough hydration, it looks healthier, more elastic, and much younger. Many expensive creams do the same thing, but with a higher price tag. Vaseline is simple, safe, and extremely effective when used the right way. If you want better results, always apply Vaseline on clean, slightly damp skin. Use only a small amount. Too much product can clog pores for some people. And remember that Vaseline works best at night when your skin is in repair mode. When you use these 10 methods consistently, your wrinkle skin will start looking calmer, smoother, and more refreshed. It is one of the easiest anti-aging tricks that anyone can do from home without spending a lot of money. Your skin will almost always show the difference.